In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow effects to your images using Canva. This is a simple yet effective way to give your graphics a professional and polished look. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation slide, or any visual content, mastering this technique will undoubtedly enhance the overall appeal of your work. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your Canva document. If you've already created your design, go ahead and open it. Make sure you're on the correct document so you can follow along seamlessly. If you're new to Canva, logging into your account and accessing the main dashboard is your first step. Once you're there, find the document you want to work on and open it up. This will bring you to the designing interface where all the magic happens. Next, we want to focus on the particular image in your design that you'd like to edit. Simply click on the image to select it. You'll see various options pop up that allow you to edit different aspects of the image. The goal here is to make sure the image you want to modify is highlighted so that we can proceed with adding effects. Now, with your image selected, look for the button that says Edit. After clicking this, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen displaying a variety of effects you can apply. We're interested in the FX effects for this tutorial, so search for shadows under this category. Shadows add depth, creating a more dynamic and visually interesting image. You'll notice several shadow options available, such as glow, drop, outline, curved, page lift, angled, and backdrop. Each option has its own unique look and feel, so you can experiment with them if you have time. For our example today, we're going to apply the angled shadow effect. Once you've chosen the angled effect, it will automatically apply to your image. You may notice how it instantly enhances the image by giving it some dimension. If it's not quite right to your liking immediately, remember you can customize the intensity, direction, and even color of the shadow to better fit your design's aesthetic. Take some time to tweak these settings if needed to ensure it complements the rest of your composition. And there you have it. The process is complete. You've successfully enhanced your image by adding a shadow effect in Canva. Feel free to play around with other effects and discover different combinations to find your perfect design balance. This simple step of adding effects can really transform your visuals and take them to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering graphic design tools. Happy designing!